Inside this video, we are going to create an FTP connection. So let's go to the cPanel, and we are going to scroll down and find the section FTP Accounts. Again, you will be able to follow this process only if you are working inside a cPanel utility, and especially if you are working with fast domain or Bluehost. Let's click in there and write down whatever name you want in here. In this case, Luis Posel will be fine, and click on Password Generator. We are going to use that password. Click down here and use password. Now the next step will be really important, and that will be eliminating all these text in here. We are just going to write down a diagonal, then click outside in here and create an FTP account. Now make sure that you wrote down the password that you create in here, because you are going to be using that password inside your FileZilla software. Let's go and open FileZilla, and inside here you are going to go to File and Site Manager. Let's click on New Site. The host in this case will be normally FTP and then the domain name from your website. But in this case we can actually go very quickly, and down here inside the new user that we just create, let's click on Configure FTP Client. Then you are going to be able to see the server. In this case, this will be the host name. So let's go back, FTP. Again, if you are using a different company, you will need to contact the technical support, because that company may not have the same settings as fast domain and Bluehost. Let's write down FTP, Joomla, block star in this case. Then the port 21, this won't be really important. Then the login type will be to normal, and let's paste the password that we just copied, going back, and copy the email, which will be the username. In here, Ctrl V to paste and click OK. Now we are going to test the account. Let's click in here and then New Site. And now, as you can see, we are going to be able to connect to our online server. Let's double click on Public HTML, and Joomla 25 will be the folder that we just create to install this Joomla website. Now let's go back to File and click on Site Manager. Then make a selection in here and click Rename, because we want to give a name Joomla Online so we can identify this connection. Click OK, and that will be it. So that's how you are going to be creating an FTP connection between your server and FileZilla.